In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your ElevenLabs password. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. At the bottom of that menu, you'll see an option that says My Account. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a few options, and you'll want to click on Settings. Now that you're in the Settings section, look for your profile information. You should see your email address displayed there. Right next to it, there should be an option that reads Change Password. Click on that, and this will initiate the process to reset your password. You'll then be prompted to confirm that you want to change your password. Just go ahead and click the confirmation button. What this does is sends a password reset link straight to your registered email address. So make sure you have access to that email because it's going to be important for the next steps. Now let's move on to your email. Open your inbox and look for the email from ElevenLabs. It might take a minute to arrive, so be patient. Once you see it, click to open it up. Inside that email, you'll find a link that says Change Password. Click on that link and it'll open up a new browser tab specifically for resetting your password. When the new tab opens, you'll be presented with a form to enter your new password. Make sure to choose something secure, but also something you'll remember easily. Type in your new password, and then, to make sure you didn't make any mistakes, you'll need to type it in again in the confirmation field. This step is really important to ensure that your new password is set correctly. Once you've filled out both fields with your new password, look for the button that says Change Password. Go ahead and click on that. And just like that, your password will be updated. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully reset your ElevenLabs password. Don't forget to keep your new password safe and consider using a password manager if you have trouble remembering it. If you run into any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to ElevenLabs support team as they can assist you further. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helped you through the password reset process smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Until next time,